Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook ground beef with butter melon. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, tomatoes, chilies, white onions, the butter melon, and then the ground beef. Okay, so take the garlic. Okay guys, saute the garlic. Then the onions, the tomatoes, and the chilies. And then guys, we're gonna add the ground beef. Soy sauce first, just a little, and then we're gonna let the ground beef cook first, guys, before we proceed to another or continue cooking. Okay, so we're gonna cover it first. So look at that one, the meat is cooked. So I'm gonna add the butter melon. We're gonna add the oyster sauce. Okay guys, look at that one. With the oyster sauce already. Okay, so let's simmer for how many minutes? And we'll be right back. So this is our ground bitter melon with ground beef. Now it's tasting time. Okay. That's our ground beef with butter melon. Time. I'm gonna taste it here. Okay. Yummy. Okay guys, so ground beef with butter melon is done. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.